My mommy.
I have to wonder if he's still going to be like lots of life in it. Like
Okay.
for life.
Apparently, Mitch really likes Slick. Poor Mitch. I don't know. I like Libby, but I don't know. This guy's kind of.
He's open to it.
Steve, what are you doing under there? Oh yeah.
How is Dewey mad? He can't catch him.
Red one, bitch.
He had one too long.
Slick, get out of there. Hey, mister. Hello. Get out of there. Like it's missing stuff.
These two are going to be tired.
Again.
Again. Oh, where'd he go? Open it up and go, Lynn. Zoom. It's like, ta-da, ta-da.
You got her grandpa's monkey tail. Are you back again? You back again? Meow. I know you got good stuff in your pocket. I can use them everybody wants them. I think that'll start them all. I'm really happy right now. Quinn is still hiding back in the corner.